How to delete Len word on Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to settings. In settings, go to system, and go to language and input. In language and input, in keyboard section, go to on-screen keyboard. Tap this, and go to Gboard. In Gboard settings, go to dictionary. And now here in dictionary, you can see here the learn word section. Here you can see the delete learn words. If you tap this, clear learn words from this device. Tap the delete learn words and the pop-up are shown. Your learn words will be erased. This operation cannot be undone. To confirm delete, enter the following number to continue. So enter this number to continue. 3037. After that, tap OK button to delete learn word on your Tecno mobile phone.